everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 curly haired hairstyles. Let's get right into it. So this first one was one of my favorite ones as a child. My grandma used to put this on me and my cousin all the time. And we're going to take this side and make a braid. Take this side as well and braid this side. So with the two braids, I like to do one of two things. I like to either pull my hair back or you can part your hair down the middle. If I had my hair clips, I'd probably clip some right here to show off the braid to draw more attention to it. So we're going to start by taking some hair down in the middle. And we're going to take a smaller section from the front and tie that up. Take my section from the front. This one. This next style, you're going to need a comb, and we're going to section off the side of our hair. We're going to do a French braid going back. We're going to make a lower ponytail at the end. Take all of my hair and pull it back. So this is the side that I pulled back. This next style, we're going to take this section right here. And we're going to twist it. It's going to be a flat 2-strand twist, and you're just adding hair from each strand to the next. I'm going to take this piece and tuck it behind your ear and use some bobby pins to clip it in. So for this next style, we're going to pull all of our hair back, and I'm going to take 2 pieces After I get my 2 pieces from the front, I'm going to section this hair in half to make myself a top and a bottom half. I'm going to tie up my bottom half. And then for this top section, I'm going to section that in half. I'm going to French braid this section going back. Be careful not to grab your little strand at the front. And now, same thing on this side. Ideally, you want to use rubber bands at the end of your braids, but my rubber bands right now are doing their own thing at my best friend's house. I accidentally left them, so also turn this style into like a half up, half down by turning these two ponytails into one. You want to turn that ponytail into a bun. Alright guys, so that's all for today. If you decide to recreate any looks, my social media is down below. Send me pictures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day.